In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a credit line increase with Bank of America. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what information to have ready, and what to expect from the decision process, whether you're using the website, the mobile app, or the phone number on the back of your card. First, sign in to Bank of America online banking or open the mobile app and log in. If you're on a phone or tablet, make sure your app is updated to the latest version so the option appears correctly. On a computer, use a secure, trusted connection and a modern browser to avoid any hiccups. Once you're in, head to your account's overview page. Next, select the credit card you want to increase. This takes you to that card's main dashboard where you can see your balance, recent transactions, and available credit. From here, look for the area that shows more details about the card. Depending on your layout, you'll either go to card details or account summary. In that section, find and choose request a credit line increase. The wording and placement can vary slightly by device, but it's typically near your account information or in a services or management menu. When the request screen opens, you'll be asked for a few key pieces of information. Enter your income, usually your current annual income before taxes. Provide your employment status, such as employed, self-employed, or not currently working. Then enter your housing payment, which is your typical monthly rent or mortgage amount. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Consistency matters, so use figures that match what you'd reasonably report on applications or financial forms. If you prefer speaking to someone or you can't find the online option, you can request an increase by calling the number on the back of your card. Have your card handy and be prepared to verify your identity and share the same information, your income, employment status, and your monthly housing payment. A representative will guide you through the request. After you submit, some requests receive an immediate decision right on the screen or over the phone. Other times, the bank may need more time and may review your credit history before approving. That review helps them confirm your credit profile and repayment capacity. If additional review is needed, you'll typically be notified by message or mail once a decision is made. That's it. Log in, choose your card, request the increase, provide your income, employment status, and housing payment, or call the number on your card to do it by phone. Thanks for watching and good luck with your request.